Hello friends! Is your engine running rough, misfiring, or struggling to accelerate? If your check engine light is on and your obd2 scanner shows code P0285, it means there's an issue with cylinder 9 injector circuit high. This can lead to poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, and loss of power. But don't worry. In this video, we'll cover what P0285 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0285 stands for cylinder 9 injector circuit high. This means that the fuel injector for cylinder 9 is receiving too much voltage or is stuck open, causing an imbalance in fuel delivery. Common symptoms of P0285: check engine light on, engine misfires or rough idling, loss of power and poor acceleration, excessive fuel consumption, strong fuel smell due to excessive fuel being injected, and engine knocking or hesitation while driving. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine damage and increased emissions. To diagnose and fix P0285, you'll need to inspect these critical locations. First, check the cylinder 9 fuel injector. It's located near the intake manifold or cylinder head and connected to the fuel rail. Next, look at the fuel rail pressure sensor, which is mounted on the fuel rail and monitors fuel pressure. Don't forget the injector wiring harness, running along the engine bay to deliver voltage to the injector. Also, check the engine control unit, or ECU, found in the engine bay or under the dashboard, responsible for injector timing. Finally, inspect the fuel pump and pressure regulator, located in the fuel tank or along the fuel line to maintain proper fuel pressure. If any of these components fail, P0285 will be triggered. There are several common causes of P0285. A stuck open fuel injector might continuously spray fuel, causing a rich fuel mixture. High fuel pressure can be another culprit, often due to a failing fuel pressure regulator or fuel pump. Shorted injector wiring from damaged wires or corroded connections may cause excessive voltage. A faulty ECU can send incorrect signals to the injector. Lastly, a clogged injector filled with dirt and carbon deposits may stay open, delivering too much fuel. Fixing P0285 involves a few steps. First, inspect and replace the cylinder 9 fuel injector if it's stuck open or faulty. Then, check the fuel rail pressure sensor for faulty readings and replace it if needed. Inspect the injector wiring harness for short circuits or damaged connections. Test the fuel pump and pressure regulator to ensure proper fuel delivery. Clean or replace the fuel injector if it's clogged. Finally, reset the ECU with an obd2 scanner after making repairs. P0285 is a fuel injector circuit issue that can lead to engine misfires, poor fuel economy, and performance loss. Fixing it early will save you from costly repairs and improve your car's efficiency. Want to learn more about fuel system issues? Watch these next videos: P0245, turbocharger wastegate solenoid, A low, and P0246, turbocharger wastegate solenoid A high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.